Hey everybody, welcome to the very first episode of a product review. Today we're going to go over the Zhiyun Crane V2 3-axis brushless handheld gimbal stabilizer with three 32-bit MCUs, brushless motors with encoders for mirrorless cameras. It's almost entirely made from magnesium and alloy, but it overall feels good in the hands. Don't say it. That's what she said. I should probably delete this. The max payload for it is 1.8 kilograms, which is 3.9 pounds that the gimbal can handle, which is pretty much all I need right now. I mean, I wish I had something more. Like the Crane 2, Brenton has that one, and ooh, very nice. And I heard from CS Visions that it's a little heavier than the V2 that I have. And this product runs for about $3.99 on Amazon, but you know, I got it from Best Buy, so I spent about $5.12 or $5.15. It's up to you how you want to do it. I just got it like how I did because I was a little bit more impatient than I should have been, but I mean, it's still the same product. I'm still happy with it. The packaging on Amazon comes with the Crane V2 gimbal, lens support screw, mounting screw, micro USB cable, 2 batteries, 1 battery charger, 1 battery box, 1 gimbal carry case, and an each shot cleaning cloth and an each shot release adapter. And this gimbal is so dope because it uses these 3 motors. It basically compensates for the movement that you make, or you know, whatever you mount it to. It has this hard case if you're on the go. It's always good to put it back into its case. Don't ever just have it laying around. Yeah, you don't want to take advantage of this thing, because you know, if you put it in your camera bag or something like that, you don't want to damage it. You know, just kind of letting it float around. Basically, just make sure you always put it away. So the batteries are actually really good. They're strong and they last for about 8 to 12 hours. I've never, you know, I did an entire day of shooting the wedding from, you know, morning to night, and I didn't put a dent in the battery life at all. Well, I'm sure I did, but not enough to kill it. You know, I need to get a couple more just to be safe, but yeah, it's amazing battery life. So 20 thumbs up. But it actually comes with a charging adapter for the batteries, and it's a micro USB, very reliable charger. And when it comes to balancing, basically there's a screw here, here, and here. It's not too hard to, I mean, the first couple times it might be difficult to get it down, but you know, once you do get it down, in the sense of, you know, I'm going to use this lens, so I have to, you know, pull it back on this, you know, on this mount or this axis. I gotta, you know, drop it down in a centimeter or 2. It's the smallest adjustments can make the biggest difference. And also, you want it to be balanced so you're not putting so much stress on the motors. It's cool because it has a threading on the bottom, so you can mount it to your tripod, or you know, however you want to connect it. I try not to get too dependent on it, just because if I do, what if this breaks? You know, so I make sure that I use as much tools that I have in my arsenal. I use it to get shots like this.
Let's go, boy. Come on. Get in. Let's go. Get that up. Come on. Go. Ready, boy. Come on.
So it being our first episode, this might be the not so detailed episode. So just bear with us. I might, do a more revisioned review on this later, but for now, that's what I got for you. I'm sorry guys, I'm ready to fall asleep. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on all the videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.